Hi everyone, I am Ananya Agarwal, an MBA student specializing in finance. In this video, I am going to break down the job role of an investment banker. So, who exactly is an investment banker? He is a person who provides financial advisory on big transactions, not for individuals but for companies, governments, and large corporations. Think of it this way: when Tata wanted to acquire Air India, or when Zomato wanted to go public on stock exchange, who do you think built the entire financial modeling, valued the company, structured the deal, and managed the entire process? Investment bankers. In India, the top firms who do this work includes Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, JM Financials, etc. And these are the rooms where most of the billion-dollar deals and decisions are made. Now let's talk about what they actually do day to day. Number one, financial modeling and valuation. This is the core of the job where we use Excel models, DCF, comparable company analysis, and precedent transactions to figure out what the company is actually worth. This is the which this takes most of the early years as an analyst or an associate. Second comes the pitching. Investment bankers don't wait for a client to come to them, they pitch. For that, they prepare the pitch books, which basically are the PowerPoint presentations on steroids, explaining why a company should merge, acquire, or raise capital, and why your bank should be trusted with that deal. Number three comes deal execution. Once a client says yes, the real work begins. You coordinate between the lawyers, the auditors, the regulators like SEBI, and the client's own team to close the transaction. And this could take several months. Number four comes client management. As you grow senior, that is VP, director, managing director, your job shifts from making the deck to owning the relationship. Like you are the one having the dinner with the CFO of a listed company. In India, the most of the active areas are IPOs, infrastructural deals, and cross-border M&As, especially in tech, pharma, and renewable energy. So, what do you need to actually get this job and survive in it? Technical skills come first. You have to be very strong in financial modeling, accounting fundamentals, and valuation. Excel is not just your option but your weapon. Knowledge of CB regulations and Indian capital markets is a big plus. Soft skill matters more than people think because communication is essential as you'll be presenting to the senior management. Attention to detail. One wrong number or a measure in a valuation can embarrass the entire team. And resilience because the hours are brutal, especially in your analyst years. Attitude. Honestly, the people who thrive in IB are those who are hungry, fast learners, and don't mind doing whatever it takes to get the job done and deal close. From an MBA standpoint, finance specialization, CFA level 1, and relevant internships at Big Four and boutique banks, advisory teams are what open the doors. Let's talk about money and growth because that's why we all are here, right? The typical path is analyst, associate, vice president, to director, and finally to managing director. In India, a fresh MBA joining as an investment banking associate can expect a CTC between 18 to 35 lakh rupees at a good firm. At the MD level, We are talking 1 crore and above, and with bonuses that can exceed even the base salary. But beyond money, the exit opportunities are incredible. After 2 to 3 years in IB, people move into private equity, join capital ventures, corporate strategies at a large conglomerate like Reliance or Tata Group, or even start their own ventures. Investment banking is hard, but if you want to be at the center of the India's growth, economic growth story, the IPO boom, the infrastructural push, the startup ecosystem, there is no other better seat, the ringside seat. I'll see you in the next video. We'll cover the another job role. Bye.